Good afternoon, gentlemen. This is 03 Bullseye, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change out the rear sight on the Glock 19 using the Universal Sight Pusher, which is made by sightool.com. I think their website's sight-tool.com. Anyhow, I'm going to show you, this is how it comes from the factory. They actually give us the Velcro here, as you can see, to put in here. Comes with a spacer here, and you typically just use a ratchet or wrench of some sort to work the nut on the side. So let's just get at it and show you what they have going here. First, we're going to make sure this firearm's unloaded. Safety check. She's clear. Point in a safe direction. Take your internals out. We're going to, hopefully you can see this here, we're going to push this sight toward the solid block here rather than toward the bolt side. So we're going to see if this fits in here. It's supposed to be universal. Let's see if it fits. Looks like elevation is going to be good, if you can see that there. With the sight spacer in there. Make sure she's lined up good. She looks like she's lined up. See what happens. Appears to be working fairly smooth. It's lined up well. We're going to be installing Ameriglo sights on this. And Ameriglo, I'm assuming, has some form of contract with Trijicon because they use Trijicon front HD sights. I like the Ameriglo rears. I put one on my wife's Glock 19 because they don't stick up as high as the Trijicons. So you can see here it pulled it right out. You can see it really didn't booger it up too bad, even though it's all cheap plastic. So we're going to run him back. Want to get our new Ameriglo sights. These are the Spartan series. I like them. They don't stand as tall as the Trijicons. The Trijicons are so high. I know that the Trijicon set I put on my Smith shield has some real sharp edges, and I like that this Ameriglo, if you can see that there, doesn't have the sharp edges quite like the Trijicon does. So we're going to spin this guy around. Going to go back this direction, so we install toward the solid block, not toward the bolt. And I think getting lined up is the key, part of the key. Let's just do a trial run here, make sure she's going to run through there okay. Looks like I can move and then just a little bit more. I think that's going to be about right there. Yeah, it's going to be close. Let's give that a shot. I've had several sight pushers, but some are for Beretta and some are for SIG, and I've never had one that's just considered to be universal all the way around. The neat thing about this one is it does have an angled block. I don't know if you can see it here. It's got an angled side and a straight side that actually can be changed around. You can take that entire bolt all the way out and it can be moved around. Alright, let's see how easy she goes now. It's taking moderate pressure, but it's not taking, you know, just absolute tons. I can't imagine having to do it with an actual hammer and a punch. And that's going to get us fairly close. We're going to have to tweak it a little bit and do some sight adjustments on there, which is the neat thing about having a bullet trap in your basement. So we can do that here. We've got several inches of snow on the ground. We don't have to fool with going outside to finalize our sights. Anyhow, sight-tool.com. It's a fairly inexpensive tool. Works out pretty well, especially if you're going to do a few of these. If you've got several friends that's going to replace them, just have all of you pitch in and buy one. I'm 03 Bullseye signing off. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Thanks.